I was looking for a small fan that is USB powered for when I go on my camping trips and I sleep in the back of my car. I'll list the playlist of some of my camping trips at the end of this video. But I found this one by Honeywell. It's a 3.5-inch fan, which doesn't seem like much, but it should be more than enough just to keep some air circulating. And I run it off my USB power bank by Anchor, powered by USB, battery, or electric. It has an adjustable stand that you could stand it on the table at different angles, but you could also have it at this angle and hang it on something, supposing if you're in a car or in a tent camping. Let's go out in the car and see how it operates inside or in the back when I have everything, the seats folded down for when I go to car camping. This is the area where I'm setting up the little fan in the back of the Prius. And you notice I have the power bank over here with the USB cord. And I just turn on the fan. And it isn't super quiet, but it's not very loud. This is how I'm going to have my Prius set up when I do go camping. I haven't camped for several months, the end of last year, because of medical issues, and I probably won't go for another month or so. But I just wanted to test out this fan, and you saw how I have it set up over here, and I would just reach over and turn it on, and I feel a nice little breeze right here, and I feel the air actually coming up to here, about 30 inches out, and it'll circulate the air in here, so there's no stagnant air, especially when it gets warm at night. This wind distance test shows that it reaches at least 3 feet. The best use of this fan is for enclosed spaces like tents or in the back of a car like I showed you. It's not for open rooms unless it's pointed directly at you within 3 feet. In case my hand was moving, I did this test. Another use, keeping my feet cool. The stand adjustment might become a problem over time. AC adapter was not included and batteries were not included. But I only paid $10. It only has one fan speed.